Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School online education. I am glad to welcome everybody in a new session of mathematics. My dear little students, let's begin our day with a very meaningful thought. Thought for the day is: the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. What does it say? That roots of educations are bitter. That means whenever you are going to take education, it's some type of hard, difficult. But at the end of the thing which you get when you reach at your destination, then that fruits are very sweet. So my dear students, don't be afraid, don't your moral down, but work hard until you reach at the success. Let's begin our class. From last lecture, we are doing revision of chapter number 4. So, each and everybody get ready, sit straight, make your back straight and look at the board. Everyone, first of all, write a date and day in this corner. Here you have to write today's date when you are writing. Then day. Standard 1, subject maths. Look my dear students, from last lecture we are making revision of chapter number 4, which is shapes and patterns. So, write the heading, the name of the chapter, SHAPES, shapes, and PATTERNS, patterns, shapes and patterns. Everyone, copy the heading in your book. Before we start new one, we will take a quick recap of previous lecture, what we already learned regarding the shapes. This is the gift box, which is in square shape. This is the globe of earth, which is in circle or round shape. This is the notebook, which is in rectangular shape. This is the slice of pizza, which is in triangle shape. So, we already have seen this, as well as we have copied this in your notebook. If anybody is remaining to copy this, kindly copy with me right now. This is the circle, which says that I am a circle. I made up with one curve. Look my dear students, again I am going to explain that this is made up of this single curve. So the circle says I am a circle, I made up with one curve. Okay, check in your book, either you have completed this or not. If not, then write with me everyone. Look, this is the square. It is made up of 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In square, all 4 sides are equal. So first of all, you have to draw the square and then write the information regarding the square just beside the figure, that I am a square. This figure belongs to the square. So it says I am a square. I have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The square is made up of 4 sides. This is triangle. What does a triangle says? I am a triangle. I have 3 sides. Again, look at here, my dear students. This is 1 side, this is 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. So, triangle says that I have 3 sides. This is rectangle. Look, rectangle is also having 4 sides. But in rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. All sides are not equal. So you have to draw the picture or diagram of rectangle, and just beside that you have to write the information regarding the rectangle, that I am a rectangle. I have 4 sides. After that, we have completed this fill in the blanks, and this is also in your homework. I had given you the fill in the blanks in a homework. I hope you all have completed this till now. If not completed, then complete this as soon as possible and send the pictures to the respective teachers. Okay. So, first blank is a square has dash straight lines. So, look my dear, 1, 2, 3 and 4. By observing this, we can see that a square has 4 straight lines. Am I right? Copy this. If the work is incomplete, a rectangle has dash straight lines. So look at here, how many straight lines a rectangle has? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can say that a rectangle has 4 straight lines. If your work is incomplete, you can complete it with the help of board. A rectangle has 4 straight lines. Okay. A triangle has dash straight lines. Look, this is the triangle. It has 1, 2 and 3 straight lines. We can say that a triangle has 3 straight lines. A circle is made up of dash curved line. Look, this is the circle and it is made up of one curved line. We can say that a circle is made up of one curved line. So, this was a quick revision of previous lecture. Now everybody get ready. You all have to write with me, Write the heading first. Write the name of shape. WRITE, write. THE, the name of SHAPE, shape. Write the heading with a very good handwriting. Is everybody completed? I hope you all are writing with me. Yes, again, everybody sit straight. Make your back straight and look at the screen. Okay, now see, what is there? There is a shape. Which shape it is? Yes, it is the square shape. So draw the shape with the help of scale. Look, while you are drawing the square shape, all the sides must be equal. All four sides of square is equal. So draw the shape properly. Use the scale. This is compulsory. Is everyone completed? Now write the name of shape. SQUARE, square. Write down and speak 3 times with me. You have to speak after me 3 times. SQUARE, square. Again repeat with me. SQUARE, square. 2 times completed. Speak up loudly. SQUARE, square. Look, my dear students, whenever you writing anything, you have to speak it loudly so that you can memorize it well. Okay? So, is everyone has completed the work? The drawing as well as the writing part. Here we have drawn the shape of square and write the name regarding the same. Now leave some space and draw this circle with the help of bangle or any of circle shaped object you are having. You have to draw the circle properly, my dear students. Look, it is made up of single curve. So, you have to draw it very carefully. Is everybody completed the work? Very good. Now, just beside that shape, write the name. Write CIRCLE, circle. Everybody write down. After that we will repeat it 3 times again so that you all can memorize the spelling. You all have to repeat after me, CIRCLE, circle. circle, circle. 2 times. Now repeat this 3rd time. Say loudly so you all can memorize. circle, circle. Very good. Is everyone has completed the drawing as well as the writing? Very nice. Now everybody draw the triangle. Now look at the board, what you have observed there. That these 2 sides are equal in size when this is unequal. So while drawing the triangle, keep this thing in your mind that these 2 lines should be in the same size. Take the help of scale while drawing the shape. Draw the triangle. Compulsory you have to draw it with the help of scale, Is everybody completed the work? Now write down the spelling, the name of that shape. triangle, triangle. Everybody first write this. After that we will repeat it 3 times. Okay? And you all have to speak it loudly. You all have to speak after me. Let's start. triangle, triangle. Everyone copy this. triangle, triangle. 2 times finish. Speak up loudly. triangle, triangle. Is everyone completed? You have to draw very nicely as well as you have to write also nicely, Now tell me which shape is remaining? There remains a rectangular shape. Everybody draw the rectangle shape. Compulsory take the help of scale. Look, these 2 sides are equal. When these 2 sides are equal, as I told you before, that in rectangle shape the opposite sides are equal in size. Okay? Everybody draw the shape properly. Is your drawing completed? Very good. Now write the name of the shape just beside that shape. rectangle, rectangle. Look, my dear students, when you are writing this, write it properly, Follow the lines. Okay? Everyone has completed, my dear. Now what is remaining? Yes, we all have to speak this spelling 3 times. First of all, I am going to speak. After that, you have to follow me, rectangle, rectangle. You all have to speak after me. RECTANGLE, rectangle. 2 times completed. Now speak up third time. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Everyone has completed. So my dear students, what we have completed just now? We have completed, write the name of the shapes, where we learn about square shape, circle shape, triangle and rectangle. Now write the new heading in your book. Compare the shapes. COMPARE, compare. THE, the. SHAPES, shapes. Compare the shapes. Write the heading with a very good handwriting. Now look, what is this? This is your favorite mobile phone. Who likes the ball very much? Maybe all the boys like the ball very much, huh? You used to play it cricket, football, volleyball. The balls are in a different size, huh? And it has different use. Then tell me, what is this? This is the birthday cake. And what is this? This picture comes in the very first of the lecture. Yes, this is the gift box. Now look at here. In this side, we are having some different shapes. So what exactly we have to do? We have to match these things with the same shape which has in this column. Now everyone, look at the board properly and observe it carefully, which things will match with which shape. Try it by yourself. After that we will solve this. This is mobile phone, this is ball, birthday cap and gift box. When here we have circle shape, square shape, rectangle shape and triangle shape. Observe it carefully. Okay, let's solve the puzzle. Look, mobile shape will match with rectangle shape. Look, this is also in rectangular shape. When, as you all know that, this is the rectangle shape. Okay, is everyone completed this? I think you can do it very well in your notebook also. Look, ball is going to be matched with circle shape. Observe the shape. Look, the ball is in circle shape. So it can be matched with the circle. Okay. So here we have completed two shapes matching. What remains there? Yes, the birthday cap matches with triangle shape. Look, this is triangle shape, so that we have to match it with triangle. There remains only one object now, which is the gift box. So, look, the gift box is in square shape. So, we have to match it with square. Everyone, look at the board and copy this work in your notebook. The mobile phone is going to match with rectangle, ball with circle, birthday cap with triangle, van, gift box with square. So, here we have completed our comparing the shapes. Now, at the end, we are going to learn and write table. Look, my dear students, first of all, you all have to write the heading. In heading, write table of 6. Yes, today we are going to learn and write table of 6. So, write heading table, table of 6. You all have to copy the table with me, as well as you have to speak it with me. Okay, and say it loudly. Let's begin our table of 6. Make sure that you have to leave one line after completing the one line. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Very good. Everyone has completed. Are you enjoying? Well done. Now everyone, note down the homework in your book. In homework, today you have to draw the shapes and write its name one time in your homework book. What you have to do? Draw the shapes and write its name one time in your homework book. Okay? Everybody, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.